What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing Sonic.FBX. Let's begin today's lesson at the top of our page with the inside edge of the mouth. Let's start on the left side, draw a curve going up the middle. We'll round this out and then bring that back down on the right. Now I want to bend the mouth coming down and then in towards the bottom. Let's start on the left, come down. I'm just going to bend that in towards the bottom, leaving a gap in the center. Go to the right side. All the way around and then in towards the same height. Now let's close off the bottom with a curve. Let's go to the center of the mouth and draw in the eye. We start over on the left, bend this up and then down. Let's go back over toward the left, curve the eye coming down and then back up. Let's add the pupil in the center. Starting from the top, it's going to bend this out toward the left and then in toward the bottom point. Curve the right side and then in, and then we'll fill the pupil in black. Now I want to line the inside edge of the mouth with some teeth. Leaving a gap in the center, let's start over on the left. I'm going to bend this down and then in, go to the right. Just going to mirror this on the right side, and then just taper that out and up towards the top edge of the mouth. Now I'm going to add another tooth bending these down. Coming in and down from the left and right side. Bend this out and then down. Let's add another tooth along the side of the eye, going up and in. Bend this out and then down. Let's move down, add another tooth. We want to work our way down towards the bottom of the mouth. Start down here, and another tooth. Now let's add a few more teeth along the bottom. Starting back on the left, bend this up, come down and out towards the side, and we'll add one more tooth in the center. Going up with a straight line, and then back down. Now let's go in with our thick black brush pen and fill the inside of the mouth going around the teeth and the eye. Now that we complete the center of the head, let's move up and draw on the ears. From the left side, let's step up. It's going to bend the bottom of the ear, going out and then up. Let's line this up over on the right and do the same thing, going out and then up towards the same height. Now I want to bend the ear, coming in and then down. Let's trace the ears along the outside. Starting from the bottom, we'll step up. Just follow that curve going up toward the top. Bring that in. Now I want to close off the bottom by connecting these two lines with a curve. Let's add that spike in the center of the head. Start from the top of the ear, step out, curve this up. We want to round out that spike and then bring that down on the right. Now I add 3 sets of spikes coming down the side of the body. From the left side of the ear, we're going to step up, bend this out, and then all the way down toward the tip. Let's line this up on the right, going out, and then bring that down. Let's pull this back up and in towards the side of the head, to right about there. And then we'll layer the second spike underneath, stepping out, cut this out, and then down. Now I'll bend this up and back in. Now before we draw on the third spike, let's draw on the bottom of the head. From this point, let's step down, and curve this down, and then bend that in, and do the same thing on the right. Now along the bottom, I'm just going to add a curve, coming down and then up. Let's leave a gap in the center, go to the left side, bend the leg going out and then down towards the bottom, go to the right, and do the same thing. Now I want to round out the bottom of the legs with a curve coming down and up on both sides. And then we'll follow this curve going back up and in underneath the body. Let's add a thick cuff around the ankles. From this point, step up, draw an oval, going all the way around, and then back up on the inside. Let's go to the inside of the cuff, curve the heel, coming in and then down towards the bottom of the feet. And then we'll round out the bottom of the feet, starting on the left, then it's down, and then up. Let's go back to the left side, curve the top of the foot, and go up, and then bend that in towards the side of the cuff. Now I want to add a thick sole on the bottom of the feet. I'm going to take this curve, step up, and just trace that across on both sides. And I'll add that thick stripe across the top of the foot. Starting back over on the left, curve this in and then down. Now let's line that up on the right side. Step out and draw that again. Now we're going to go back up to the top and draw on the arms. For the top of the body, we're going to step down, and the arm going out, and then down, and we'll just bend that back out towards the wrist. Let's take that and flip it over on the right. I'm just going to line this up, go out, and then down, and then bend that back out. Let's round out the bottom of the arm, just pulling this in, and I'll follow that same curve, going all the way around, going up and then back in towards the side of the head. I want to add that same thick cuff around the wrist. I'm going to step in, draw that oval, come all the way around and then back up. And now let's draw on the hands. We're going to start with the palm first. Start from the side of the cuff, then this out, and then down. Let's go to the right. Let's add a fold, stepping up, go out, and then down. Let's go back up to the top and draw on the first finger, going up, rounding out the finger, and then pulling that in towards the bottom of the hand. I'm just going to bend this back up towards the bottom of the cuff. Let's do the same thing on the right. Going all the way around, in towards the bottom, and pull that back up. Now I'm going to layer 2 more fingers in behind. Start from the top of this finger, going up and then down, and do that one more time. And now we're going to go back and finish off that last spike. From the top, step out, bend this out around the arm, and come down. I'm just going to pull this back up and in behind the head, going in behind the arm. So we'll go up, and just continue along the inside. Let's finish off by signing our art and adding a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. There's a drawing of Sonic.FBX. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. And if you want to keep drawing with me, you might want to check out this video over here. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.